Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify all the parts using the parts list. Place the cabinet doors face down on your work surface and apply the included rubber door bumpers. These will help prevent denting the finish when we attach the doors to the face frame and keep the doors flush with the frame. Insert the soft close hinges into the large pre-drilled holes on the back of each door and use your power drill to fasten them with the tapered edge screws. Close the hinges and then carefully place the face frame on top of the door with the grooves facing upward. The hinges should align with the pre-drilled holes where you attach the hinges with the shorter pan-style screws. Line up the L brackets so the backs are facing the groove on the back of the face frame. Use your drill to attach the L brackets. Slide the bottom panel into place, following the same steps as before to fasten with the L brackets and screws. Start with one side panel and slide it into place, ensuring that it is flush with the top and bottom of the face frame. Then fasten with the two L brackets on the side of the cabinet's face frame. Next, use the black sheetrock style screws at a 45-degree angle through the side panel into the floor of the cabinet. If you would like to add more stability, we recommend fastening two additional L brackets where the floor and top panels meet the sides. Install the other side panel using the same process as before. The back of the cabinet is comprised of three panels, two side back panels and one center back panel. Slide one side back panel into place, lining up the grooves with the adjoining front side panel and keeping flush. Use your nail gun to insert nails along the edges, bonding the front and back side panels together. The center back panel has a series of wooden blocks along the edges. Put the center back panel into place and then the other side panel. Use the black sheetrock style screws along the edges and into the wooden blocks. Finally, insert your shelf pins into the holes at your desired height and carefully angle the shelf panel into place. Congratulations for completing your assembly. Stand back and enjoy your beautiful new cabinets.